This is how you motion track text inside After Effects. New composition, drag and drop the clip of the ballerina onto the timeline. Window, tracker, track motion. This second window appears. Click and drag this track point to a high point of contrast, ideally somewhere on the ballerina's shoe, and then analyze forward. Once all our frames are perfectly tracked, we can right click, new, null object, edit target, null 1, okay, apply, dimensions X and Y. We close the track window, and then we see we have this perfectly tracked red rectangle. Go to my text tool, type ballet, command double click the pan behind tool to center the anchor point. Then I can parent whip this to the null. So now it's stuck to the null. Effects and presets, animation presets, text, animate in, opacity flicker in. Then I'm going to go up to the pen tool, stroke 1, white outline. Just draw a little ledger, holding shift on the second click. So it's perfectly straight. And then parent whip this to the null too. Then on the drop down menu, add a trim paths. Keyframe the end at 100 around the 1 second mark. Go to the beginning, type 0. Highlight the keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier. Okay, voila.